Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create layers in Autocad. Layers are one of the most important features in Autocad because they help keep your drawings clean, organized, and professional. With layers, you can separate different types of objects such as walls, dimensions, furniture, electrical elements, center lines, and much more. Layers also let you control visibility, colors, line types, line weights, and plotting settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a layer, customize it, and make it the active layer for drawing. So let's begin. First, open your drawing in Autocad. Next, go to the Home tab. In the Layers panel, click on Layer Properties. This opens the Layer Properties Manager, where all layer settings are controlled. You can also open it quickly by typing LA into the command line and pressing Enter. Inside the Layer Properties Manager, you'll see existing layers along with settings like On or Off, Freeze, Lock, Color, Line Type, and Line Weight. Now let's create a new layer. Click the New Layer button, usually shown with a star icon. A new layer will appear with a default name. Rename it to something clear and descriptive like walls, doors, dimensions, furniture, electrical, center lines, and much more. Using good layer names makes your drawing much easier to understand and manage later. Now let's customize the layer. First, choose a color. Click under the Color column and select a color for your layer. Colors help organize your drawing visually and can also control printing styles. Next, set the line type. If you need dashed or center lines, click the Line Type option. If the style you need is not listed, click Load and choose Additional Line Types. Then select the one you want. After that, set the line weight. Thicker lines are useful for important objects, while thinner lines, and that's it. You now know how to create and manage layers in Autocad. Using layers properly will make your drawings more organized, professional, and easier to edit. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this tutorial with others learning Autocad. Thanks for watching and happy drafting!